You own a business, looking to create awesome website for it? Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Belly Tech Services. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Belly Tech are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video.
Hi folks, good evening to everyone. My name is Elijah and I'm here today to guide you and lead you to a particular platform or an app which will help you to make money, cool cash that you will love it. Now, the name of this app is called Trust Wallet. If you know you are new, please stick to this video and listen very careful. And if you know you are a kind of person who has been into the internet making money and you've came across Trust Wallet and you know much about it, you can throw a small listening to it, and if you're not finding it interesting, you can move along or you go. But if you know you are new and you want to make the cool cash, this video is for you. For us not to make things long, let's just jump into the studio where we can make this money. Now, the name of this app is called Trust Wallet, and Trust Wallet has been one of the cryptocurrency wallet for a very long time, which helps you to trade your cryptocurrencies. Now, someone asks, what is a cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is an online or a virtual money which is used for exchanging of goods and services. You can't have it as hard copy, but it comes in the virtual, which is a soft copy one. So you use it in the internet to buy goods. Now you can spend it there while using your phone. So you can't have it as a hard one unless the soft one. So this particular currency is called cryptocurrency, and the kind of cryptocurrencies we have are many. We have Usdt, which is equivalent to the US dollar. We have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, etc., and a lot of them. So when you open your dashboard of your Trust Wallet, this is how it will look like, especially those who already have Trust Wallet account and they have created the account. Now, if you know you are new and you want to create it, now let's go back. Let me restart my own and create it. Now, doing that will be like long. So the normal thing you have to do is when you finish downloading it, if you are not having it, just go to Play Store or App Store and search Trust Wallet. So it will come. Now let me go to the App Store and show it to and show the view or the logo to the Apple people. I'm using an Apple phone, so if you are using Apple phone in the App Store, this is how the logo will look like. So if you are using Play Store, you go and search Trust Wallet. Now let's just wait a while, it will pop out my network. So now this is it. When you search it, because this one is first doesn't mean that is it. Now if you check down, it simply means there is an ads running here, advertisement. It means these people has paid Google people to advertise their particular app so that they will be on top, so that when you search you get them. It means this particular app is also a Trust Wallet used for trading cryptocurrency, but this is the Trust Wallet. You see it in the App Store, they said Trust Crypto, but when you go to the Play Store, it is Trust Wallet. So this is how it look like. So don't go and choose anyone. Many fake ones will be there. So this is this one. I'm already having it there. I'm telling me to update it. So if you are the one, you see here the open one and get it like this. This is how to write it. Get it. So to get it, you just type on there. Where I'm going to type like the update, your own will be there. Get it. So here. So when you just type on it, my own will start updating so that I'll launch it again. Now let's just finish updating it so that I'll open it. Here are some version of history and views of this platform, so you can watch. They have 6.5 rating reviews. People read them in stars less and this, and they have 3,553 ratings. So this is it. You can also write your review when you start to know more about this particular platform or this app. So I'm just updating my own. So if you are also downloading, this is how it will still read. So my own is what updating like that. Now it has finished downloading, so you just type on open and it will open the app. Now I already have an account, so automatically my own will log me into my account. Now to the new people who don't have, just go ahead, create your account. They ask you to choose some numbers. Make sure you know those numbers. Those numbers are what you are going to be using to log in, so you can write down them somewhere, and you create your PIN code. In case if your account, you lost your phone and everything, you want to use someone's phone to log in, those words that they'll give to you, you write down are what you are going to use to log in for future. So this is the interface or the dashboard of Trust Wallet. Now here is your balance. Here, send, receive, buy, sell, history. So the history is talking about your transactions and everything. So you can send, you receive, you buy and sell. So you can sell here too, you can buy your crypto too here. It is linked to Binance. Now you can trade here too, because if you want to trade, let's say I want to trade Trust Wallet, when you type on it like this, here is the trading one, you see it. So you can trade current TRS price. So you trade, let's say I want to trade like for 1 hour. You look at it and you stake. But currently they are working on it, it is not there. But what you can do to make money here is by what? Staking, swapping. So to stake here, you earn a commission out from your money that you stake. It's like putting money as investment in a bank. You invest it for a number of days, you go and there will be an interest. Like it is always in annual. This one is not in annual. This one is in every 12 days, 14 days, which is two weeks. So you'll be able to withdraw your profits and your money if you want to withdraw that one too. So now for us not to waste time, let's just go. Now Trust Wallet has already been chosen. Here you can see that they said start earning. You can earn Tron energy and bandwidth points with TRS to save on gas fees for Tron transaction. So now if you want, you learn more. Now Trons, in the TRS we have the Trons, which is the same as the USDT one. So it means it is having equivalent to what? Dollars. But the USDT is bigger than it. So we have to get large of TRS before you get it. But based in their virtual transaction, they are all using Trons. Trons is like the assistance wire that allow you to be able to communicate to these coins. So this is their wallet transactor. So Trons. So when you use that one, you'll be able to stake. So for example, let's say I want to stake. You see here they said start earning. Here start earning. Just type on it. Now it will bring you to a face like this. So all that you have to do is you type on stake this one. That's the available balance. Your balance will be here. Stake, you do not stake, so it's 0. Minimum amount 1 TRS. Here is the app or what you are going to earn from. So the commission you are going to earn from, the APR is talking about the particular company that's going to give you the interest, and they are saying they'll give you an interest of 4.45%. So 4.45% is very good in 2 weeks. It means before a year you can make half of your money that you are investing or you have invested. So you just go to stake, type on the stake. Now we have them to have energy and we have bandwidth. So I prefer you pick the energy. The energy is talking about the TRS20. Why this one is also talking about the TRS transfers. So we have the 0 TRX and the TRS20. I prefer you collect the TRS20. So just leave it be on TRS20 only like this, so that the amount they'll be giving you or the commission they'll give you or the interest will be in TRS20. So you enter the amount you want to invest here. Now you come back, they have trust noodles. Type on that one and you choose the one that suits you. So you look at them, which of these companies will give me much interest. So Olumis will give you much interest, so you use it. So when you type on it, you place your amount, you come down here, they will enlighten it to yellow, which is continue. You just type on it. So because I don't have any amount, that's why. So like if you enter your amount, you see they say enough. So if like the enough it is there, it will just be of that, you continue and you stake it, and from tomorrow going you start what earning. So when you stake, and next day it start generating the profit. So this is one of the way we can make money online. So if you are someone who's looking for way of making good and quality monies online and you don't know how to do, just be into this channel. Every day we are going to drop a video, and sorry for we have kept you people long without being and all this was. So thank you and you are highly welcome.